Hey there cat lovers and AI enthusiasts. Have you ever wondered how to create viral cat videos using the power of AI? Well, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to make an adorable AI-powered cat video that could rack up millions of views fast. Ready to see your cat video dreams come true? Let's dive in. Step 1. Creating stunning cat images with Leonardo. AI, let's kick things off with Leonardo.ai. This website is super cool because it uses AI to generate amazing images based on the prompts you give it. So the first thing you need to do is go to Leonardo.ai. Once you're on the site, you'll see a search bar. Type in something fun like adorable cat wearing sunglasses or fluffy kitten playing with yarn. The AI will instantly generate a bunch of beautiful cat images. Pick around 10 to 15 images you like and save them to your device. The best part? You can do this over and over again for free. If you're not sure what to type, Leonardo also provides pre-written prompts you can use and tweak a little for your own unique twist. Step 2. Turning images into videos with Runway Mail. Now that you have your awesome cat images, it's time to bring them to life with Runway Mail. This tool is perfect for beginners because it allows you to create professional looking videos with just a few clicks. First, head over to runwaymail.com and sign up for a free account. Once you're in, click on Create New Project and choose the Video Editor option. Next, upload all the cat images you saved earlier from Leonardo.ai. You can arrange them in the order you want them to appear in your video. Runway Mail also offers amazing animations and transitions, so you can make the cat zoom in, spin, or even dance. Add some cool upbeat music from Runway Mail's free music library, and you've got yourself a cute, eye-catching video. Why this method works? So why does this method work so well? Well, cat videos are already super popular, but when you add AI creativity into the mix, it takes your video to the next level. With Leonardo AI, you get amazing cat images that you can't find anywhere else, and Runway Mail makes it super easy to turn them into professional videos. People love watching short, fun, and creative content, especially when it involves adorable animals, and AI gives you the power to create something unique that stands out. Bonus tip. Before you go, here's a quick bonus tip. If you ever run out of ideas, just type in fun prompts like Space Cat or Superhero Kitten on Leonardo.ai to generate fresh, unique images for your next viral video. This way, you'll never run out of creative ideas, and you can keep making fun videos all the time. Conclusion. And that's a wrap, friends. Now you know how to make a viral cat video using Leonardo.ai and Runway ML. If you follow these steps, your videos will be popping up all over the place in no time. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel for more awesome tips on creating viral AI content. Also, let me know in the comments what kind of AI video you want to make next. I'm always looking for fun ideas. Until next time, keep creating and having fun with your content. Bye.